Finally, here you see Kobe Bryant perform in the recovery stage of a basketball shot. Here you see him completing a full follow through after the shot has left his hands. This is important due to the fact that he won't snatch at his shot, and therefore his shot will not get affected by him putting his arms down too early. Looking at his wrist, it is clear that he flicked his wrist at the end of his action and therefore allowed the ball to have backspin onto it, making it dip into the hoop. His arm is also still up there, showing how he had his full arm underneath the ball, not pushing at his shot, and it is almost by his ear. And finally, his arm stays up there, waiting until the ball goes in. This is so that when he releases his shot, he doesn't release too early and allows the action to flow through and straight. Now, looking at my client's follow through compared to what you have just found out about the perfect basketball shot follow through, it is clear to see a few differences. Starting with no flick of the wrist. Here you can see my client did not flick the wrist, and therefore the ball is unable to dip onto the rim, allowing for it to go in, not making her shot nearly as consistent as it could be, like Kobe Bryant's. You also can clearly see her hands are down by her side before the ball has even touched the rim. This shows that her shot was very snatched and was not fully complete, and therefore will consequently make each of her shot different. Because when finishing in that set position like Kobe Bryant did, you can also see how you finish your shot, allowing you to see if you flicked your wrist, if you put your hand up, put your whole arm straight underneath the ball, finishing with it just by your ear. With your arms down by your side, you are unable to self evaluate your shot afterwards, which is very key during training. There you go. You now know the differences between my client's shots compared to the perfect technical model, allowing us to be able to know what we should work on with our client, and allowing us to see what coaching points need to be put in place.